Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do a tarot card reading. There are two groups in front of you. This is group number 1 and this is group number 2. So the topic of my reading is what is your destiny? It's a very open-ended question. Like what could be your life purpose? What is your destiny? What you're meant to do in this world, etc., etc. It could be asked in a lot of ways. Let's start this reading. Remember, this is group number 1, this is group number 2. Choose your group after pausing the video, take some time, and then let's start the reading from group number 1. We'll put this aside. Let's start. Okay, what is the destiny of group number 1? Let's see what is group number 1's what is group number 1's destiny. We have emotions are running high. Okay, I'm using the Moonology Oracle deck. It's a very, I really liked it. Okay, I really liked it from the beginning. I'll not take a lot of cards, just one more. What is the destiny for group number 1? Okay, to be very honest, you don't need anyone to tell you about what your destiny is, but others can give you a direction. Sometimes you're very confused about what is the meaning of my life, how am I going to spend my life, what should I do. Sometimes we just need someone to support us and someone to show us the path, and you have to take the path yourself, right? Okay, there is this card, a time for healing. Okay, so there is this mention about emotions and healing. So I don't want to come to conclusions. I just I have these messages coming into my mind, but I just want to take a card to just start it. Okay, just one card. Like, what is the destiny of group number 1 here? Okay, this is very beautiful. Okay, this thing here is saying that your destiny is to influence the people around you and be a role model. Okay, I didn't want to say it as it is, but this is what was coming. Like, you're this type of a person who, I don't know if you feel like it or not, but you have to engage with a lot of people in your life, and you are meant to show people direction about their life. You could be a therapist or a healer, or maybe you could be a consultant or something like that, but maybe you could be a guide, right? Anything, but you are actually showing people the path to what they wanted. Maybe you could be an advisor, or like you can, but we'll just see. Okay, there are just two piles for it, two groups for it. I'm just trying to be very specific according to your group. Let's see. Okay, what is the destiny of group number 1? Yes, okay, you might be a lawyer as well, but let's see. The main thing, there could be many things by which you can live your destiny, but your destiny is to create peace and harmony between people, and heal people. You can heal people, you can heal generations. You have this ability, you have this innate ability, this ability by birth, that you can solve conflicts between people. You can also be a diplomat as well. There can be many things, but your main thing is to direct people on how to live their life. You can also be a religious leader or a clergy person, maybe, but you're you're telling people how they should heal themselves, or how they could live better in their life, like advising people on how to live a good life from okay. And what else do we have here? We have chariot. Oh my god. Okay, oh my god. Okay, the chariot card is usually a doctor card or a surgeon card, right? But we'll take other aspects of it as well according to this reading. Then we have the King of Wands. Okay, Okay, I am sorry, I was focusing on career options as well, but they were just, coming in my mind, like, uh, this and that. But I'll just focus on the destiny. And we have the star card here as the bottom energy. Okay, the thing here is that what I see about your destiny is that you're someone who can, change people, who can change other people's lives directions. I will give you some example, like I will give you some thing to think about, right? You are this type of a person that when you enter a circle, a friend circle or a friend group, or when you join the team on your in your workplace, you tend to change the whole dynamic of that place. You have this energy, or you have this aura around you, that you tend to change everyone's destinies, or maybe like pull everyone closer to their destiny. I've never, done a tarot card reading with such a group, and I'm very interested. Let's see, what is group one's destiny here? We have intuition. You cannot make this up. You can not make this up. And we have imagination. Okay, you have this god given gift that you know how to help people. You have this uh, drive that can, that gives you this motivation to help people. Sometimes you feel like you're doing so much helping the other people around, and you feel like you're empty on the inside. Sometimes this can happen. Always remember that you have to recharge yourself. Don't let other people drain your energy. I am seeing that you just need to sit down, right? You just need to sit down, close your eyes, and then you will know what you have to do in life. I am seeing that you are a very spiritual person to begin with, someone who is very intuitive, who can get psychic downloads, or who knows what to say in what place. You just need confidence about yourself. This is what I'm seeing. You just need to be, there is this thing that, I cannot be sure about what is going to happen, but yeah, nobody is sure, right? This is what I'm seeing for you, group number one. I hope this really helps you find your way in life, and I hope you would really like it and enjoy it. Do like, share, and subscribe, guys. It gives me confidence to make more content like this. And take care, guys. Love you all. Bye bye, everybody. Okay, let's start with group number two here. Group number two. Hi guys, hope you're doing well. So, in group number two, what is your destiny? What is your life destiny? Okay, I'm getting messages already. Adjustments are required. Okay, and the energy is gaining momentum. Right of the start, you're this type of a person who is going to come on this earth to break generational curses or generational cycles. You are the person in your family line who is going to end the curse with your family. Like, there is this very toxic dynamic going on in your family that I am seeing. Maybe you are aware of it right now, but there is this thing, a new start is coming. Yeah, you are actually closing old doors, and you are moving on to the next step of life, to the next position of life. There is this new moon to indicate that. And I would say that there is this thing about you that you like the I am seeing that in the past generations your family has faced a lot of turmoil. Your blood has faced a lot of like conflict, and there has been a lot of horrible stuff or horrible drama going on. Somebody betraying that person like robbing the other person. Like, it's just getting very weird, and it's just like it's just like telenova, like uh, a soap opera like that. Okay, so what is group number 2 is destiny. um your destiny is to cut things. Let's be very precise while I pull out some more cards. But the thing that I am seeing is that you're going to like take a scissor and cut everything, like cut the cords. Like this is what I'm seeing. There is this 9 of cups and there is this hermit. Okay, your life is happy if you are away from family. I know it's I don't want, like, if this doesn't apply to you, I'm very sorry, like, just discard this message. But this is for some of you. Like, the more you go low contact, the more you build your own personality, the more you think about how I am an individual and how I can live my life according to my own terms, according to what I want, according to my own desires. That is very good. I'm seeing strong Aquarius energy from your birth chart for your destiny. I think that you would be very happy traveling the world. You would be very happy if you're not actually physically traveling, learning about different cultures, learning different languages, or like being attached to different cultures. This will help you a lot in your life, and you are doing that. You're visiting a lot of different places in different parts of the world. In the future, maybe now, you are cooking dishes from different cuisines. You are studying the culture of different countries or different dynasties. I'm seeing that there is this thing that you are gaining recognition for it. You might be, you can be anyone, right? There are many people who are going to watch it. You can be an archaeologist or even a photographer or anything. But the thing is that you are gaining recognition for your work. Like, there is fame involved with this. You are this type of a person. Maybe you were like bullied, or maybe you were like told that you're not that good. Maybe you were told, like, you're not that special, and you're like just a person who is not worth anything. And you might have heard stuff like that. Or maybe you always felt like is like can you achieve more. And I'm seeing that you're going to achieve a lot in this worldly dimension. There is this Tower card. Okay, as I was saying, that you're meant to cut, you're meant to exclude people from your life. I'm not saying that you should isolate yourself, but I'm seeing that you're going to be a person, and maybe you are a person from now on, depends on your situation, that you are if something doesn't serve you, just kick it out. This will bring you closer to success. This will bring you closer to harmony. There are certain people who think that they can take an advantage from you. This is what I'm seeing very clearly. Like, maybe your previous generations were full of those people who were taken advantage of, or like some sort of this type of dynamics. And what I'm seeing here is that you are like freeing yourself. You are like not caring about the past, and this is a part of your destiny. You are supposed to grow out of your nest. We have fairness. Okay, and the other card, focused intentions. Okay, they are okay, this is very important. The thing here is that sometimes we are told that oh my god, oh my god, this just fell out. Okay, I'll just take care of it at the end. Okay, that scared me. Okay, it's like you are you know what you want. Sometimes you just ignore certain people, like their family, and I should let go of them, and I should not think about the past. And if they've done anything wrong to me, well, their family after all. There is this thing that, please be fair. If you think somebody is doing wrong, please think that they're doing something wrong. Don't make excuses for people. And this was an indication when that basket fell off that you have to be very focused. Okay, some people are going to say, like, we're family, family comes first, and even if we did wrong to you, even if we snatched your property, even if we snatched your money, you should forgive us, because we're family after all. And like, you have to kick such people out. This is your destiny. You have to prove it to your ancestors that whatever mistakes they made in the past, you're not going to repeat them. Right? This is what I'm seeing for you. And this group number 2 is making me angry. Like, I don't feel like angry at you, I'm just feeling angry at the people who think that you're a pushover. Please don't be. Okay, be very strong. And if somebody makes you feel like you're worthless, show them otherwise. Okay, group number 2, that was it. Hope you guys really liked my reading and enjoyed my reading and you took benefit from it. Please take whatever that resonates and leave out the rest. Do like, share and subscribe. It really makes me confident making more content. Thank you guys. Love you everybody. Goodbye.